Got to notch this. Get this level. Woo, dog, yeah, look at that. That one right there. These ones are the ones that are going to go up. We still have those ones at home we're making. Then there's that one. This. Real world, baby. Real world shit here. Got the rod box. Got the torches. Alright, y'all. We're going to go ahead and get this shit welded up here real quick to reinforce this gate. Then we're going to hang these, the ones that open and close with the locks on it. And then, that'll be it for the day. As long as the sun permits us, we'll be out here working. There's a box. There's all the tools.